Hi guys, so today we're going to do my design for breast cancer awareness. So of course my nails are painted with a pink base. As you can see, I'm going to do a side swipe on all my nails except the ring finger. For the ring finger, I'm going to cover the entire nail with this pink glitter. Next, using a dark pink and a small dotting tool on all the nails that we've done the side swipe, we're going to do a row of dots. Next, on the ring finger, we're going to create the breast cancer ribbon. Lastly, to the centre point of the ribbon, I'm going to apply a pink crystal.